Game day, just like that, girl.
Alright. Oh man, these are some fast shoes, moms. You gotta run fast in these shoes. Yo, what's up everybody? So it is official. It is game day.
Go, Lolo.
Lolo's first game day. Actually, this is not Lolo. This is Camila. But it is Lolo's first game day. She's getting all ready. As you can see, gonna get her pretty hair by Grandma. We're excited because she's gonna kick the ball hard. You're gonna kick it hard, right, Mama? Yeah, she's pretty excited. So this is gonna be a fun day, guys. Also, haven't given you a house update in a really long time. As you can see, this is house, but we'll give you an official house update as soon as we get done with the game. So everybody sit back, relax, and enjoy this family vlog, right? Lolo, you ready? You ready for your first game? Show me how you're gonna kick the ball. Show me. All right, you go, girl.
Dad, I heard something.
No, you didn't hear anything. Run to Grandpa after you kick it, Lolo.
Here we go.
Go, go. Go low, 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 low. Run, run, run. Stop, stop. Good job, good job, good job. Good job. Yeah. Go, go, go. Good job, good job. Good job.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Good game. Okay, everybody be at practice. Let's keep working. We got a long way to go. But good job. Thank you, parents.
Good job, River Cats. Good job, guys. Well, guys, very proud of Lo. She did so good, Mama. You did so good. You kicked the ball. She was 2 for 3. Although her second kick was her hardest kick, but she just looked at it. She did the traditional, like, you know, when someone thinks they're gonna hit a home run, you just watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. And then she did it, and then she got out. But she did really good. And then Camila over here did pretty good with Grandma. And and we had a good time, right, Moms?
Yes.
Yeah, so first game, really good success. Very proud of her. And she's crying because she dropped something, so I better stop recording.
Daddy, I dropped my little toy.
Okay guys, so like I said, we just got done with our game and I'm gonna have my first meal of the day. So what I have is 3 eggs and 3 slices of bacon. Again, this is a pretty light meal, but I'm just not hungry. And I know a lot of people always ask me, it's like, hey Logan, I'm trying to hit my macros. What do I do if I'm not hungry? That just depends on what your goals are. So if your goal is weight loss, then obviously I would say never to force feed yourself. But if your goal is to build muscle, get big, strong, and jacked, then absolutely there is no excuse for missing meals. You will have to force feed yourself. So never skip a meal if your main priority is to build muscle and get stronger. And then vice versa, if you're trying to lose weight, only eat when you're hungry. Oh my gosh, girls, what are y'all doing? What are y'all wearing? What in the world? Y'all having a fashion show?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
Daddy,
You girls.
Daddy, remember Mina was a baby and then her put this rubber band on here?
Yep, I remember when Mina was a baby, she did that. You girls are crazy. Okay guys, so yes, we have been officially moved in for almost a week now. We still have a long way to go. We still have a lot of stuff at our old house, but I'll give you a little update on our current house right now. So this is when you walk into right here, this little rotunda area. We put this light fixture in just because it was a lot better than the one that they give us. Really nice. And then we have my kind of like office slash computer room. Yes, that's my office chair. For everyone laughing, that is my office chair. But as you see right here, this is kind of where I'll do most of my work. I love this room because of the big open windows. I can look outside in the park, see who's coming. Absolutely love this room. And then we'll walk in to the bathroom, Jack and Jill bathroom. Turn the lights on. Where's the lights? Okay, there. So, boom, little selfie. And we got the bathroom. Then we have the girls' room. This is the room that they're gonna share. Obviously, it is a big mess, and as you see, the girls have been going through everything in here. So, this will be the room that they share. We still have a long way to go, so excuse the mess. Then we'll pop back out. And then you got the hallway. There's Crystal. And then you got the bathroom when you walk in. So for the guests who need to use the restroom, turn around, we have the laundry room. Still getting everything set up. Crystal put that little cheetah rug because she loves cheetahs. We got the garage. Trust me, you do not want to look in there. Absolute disaster. Little mud room. And then we have the guest room that we are still getting everything situated on how we're gonna decorate and whatnot. So this will be the guest room, guest bathroom as well, as you can see. So this will be the guest bathroom. And then we will walk into like the main room, which is like my favorite part of the house. So yes, here it is. This is the grand living room. This is what I love because this is where we're all gonna hang out as family. We still need a dining table. For those of you who know, who have been looking for furniture, furniture is like all back ordered right now. We found a dining table that we absolutely fell in love with, but it won't be here till September. September, are you serious? Like, oh my gosh, who can wait till September for a dining table? So that's why I have this big open area right here. We got our living room. Here's the kitchen, favorite part of the house. As you see, it's a mess because we just got done cooking breakfast. We got our breakfast table, coffee, and then, oh yeah, guys, absolutely love this. Absolutely love this. I have to show you this. This is, I had to have this. I had to. I know, I'm sorry. I just had to do it, but it's so worth it. This is our refrigerator. Absolutely love this. So we'll come in here, we'll play music. As you can see, yeah, a little kids bop for all you parents out there. Also, my sister-in-law has it hooked up to her phone so she can send little notes for us. You know, she said, Auntie Mom loves you. I got my schedule on there so Crystal can never say, hey, I didn't know this was happening. My calendar is right there, so she can't say that. Got the weather.
I can still say that.
Okay, she could probably still say that, but still, I can always say, did you look on the refrigerator? My calendar's right there. And then this was officially going to be my office, but the girls took over and made it their toy room. And as you can see, it's a mess, guys. It's a mess. The girls got all the styrofoam, they crushed it all up, turned it into snow, but this is gonna be their playroom right here. I know. It's an absolute disaster. It's a disaster. You let them do it. I told you to stop. You let them do it. I told you to stop letting them do that, and then you were just like, yeah, you didn't tell them anything. So this is their toy room. I'm not gonna show you our bedroom because our bedroom is the disaster. Is an absolute disaster. Let me just describe it to you so you can get like an idea. We're sleeping on a mattress on the floor. Now, the mattress is the bed that we want to get, like that we're gonna keep, but we don't have anything set up. We don't have the bedboard, we don't have the dresser, or any of that stuff, so you don't want to see the bedroom. It's an absolute mess. And then the girls are playing outside. There's Mina. Hey, show everybody going down your slide. Go down your slide, let me see. Okay, well, she's waiting for Wowo to come down the slide. But we got them this blow up little slide right here, and they absolutely love this thing. They love it. And we got plenty of room here in the backyard, as you can see. Pretty decent backyard. A lot bigger than my last backyard, I would say. So yeah, we're absolutely loving it, guys. It feels good to finally call this our new home. Being here, it is taking a little bit of time to get used to, for sure. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm sure it'll get a lot more easier for us, and then once we start filling everything up in this house, it'll feel more like a home. But yeah, definitely not gonna lie, the first couple of days I felt like, what am I doing? Like, this is not my home. It felt weird. But anyways, what, baby? Hey, I want to come inside. There you go, guys. That is our updated on the house tour. I hope to show you another one in about a month when everything is filled up and everything's nice. We got a game table. You're thirsty, baby? What do you want, some Wawa?
Yeah.
Okay, you want some Wawa?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some Wawa.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, so we just left Target right now, and Lo is getting a special surprise because she did so good at her game today. And this is what she picked out. So She originally wanted an LOL doll. So for all you parents out there, LOL, I have no idea what it is, but she's obsessed with it. But she had to pick the biggest LOL like box, or I don't know what it was. It was like 60 bucks. Okay, what?
I was talking to your daddy. That's a Spencer's doll, and like Sophia has, and had those dolls before.
Oh, okay. So she just said we had to put the LOL box back because it was way too expensive, 60 bucks. I'm not spending 60 bucks on a toy. So instead she got this little doll right here. It comes with all these accessories.
She has pink hair.
And this doll has pink hair like her cousin Sophia. And so she's excited. So here you go, Lolo. Thank you for doing so good at your game. And I'm proud of you, baby. And Mina is just eating chips.
And you fish.
Oh, goldfish. Sorry, yes, goldfish. Proud of you, mamas. We're here at Mr. Gaddy's for my brother's birthday. And since it is a pizza buffet, it is very hard to eat at a place like this, but you can always do lazy keto. So this is probably the best option I have if you want to keep it keto friendly. Is I just get the slices of pizza like this and then just scrape the toppings off. That's pretty much the only thing you can do when you come to a place that just has breadsticks, spaghetti, all types of pizza, and you want to keep it somewhat keto. And you don't want to go overboard, because I definitely don't want to go overboard. I have just been lacking on my diet. So this is my best option, is just scrape off all the pizza toppings and just eat it like this. So you got your pepperoni, you got your cheese, you got your sausage, you got your jalapenos. That going in.
Papa, watch me.
Okay, so one last thing before I end this video. Today is the first day of the 5-day ketosis challenge. So if you don't know what the 5-day ketosis challenge is, essentially I am challenging you, yes you, everybody that is watching this video right now, I challenge you to see if you can get in ketosis for 5 days. So with it being the first day and it was just Mother's Day weekend, I went pretty crazy. I ate a couple things I probably shouldn't have ate, and I probably had a beer or so. So I don't expect myself to be in ketosis on the first day, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna try. So I'm gonna try to make a video every single day up until Friday on how I plan on getting back in ketosis, especially after, a cheat weekend, with it being Mother's Day weekend and my brother's birthday. So I kind of ate like crap, but I still want to get in ketosis, and I know you do as well. So like I said, day 1 of the 5-day ketosis challenge starts today. All you have to do is take a picture of your ketone reading with your Keto Coach meter or whatever meter you use. Tag us on Instagram. You can tag Goody Beats, or you can tag at ketocoach.health. You'll be entered in every single day to win a giveaway Monday through Friday with a bunch of companies. We teamed up with a bunch of companies, SinFit being one of them. So I'm super excited. So if you want to get back to ketosis, get back to burning body fat, especially after like a cheat weekend like myself, and win free goodies, then you got to participate. If you're watching this, you have to participate. I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you. Let's go. So I'm going to get back on track on my intermittent fasting, my keto, my exercise, fasted cardio, everything. So today is day 1. Let's get it. I absolutely love you. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Thank you.